I will persist until I succeed. I was not delivered until this word is defeat, nor does failure force my faith. I am not a sheep, waiting to be prodded by my shepherd. I am a lion, and I refuse to talk, to walk, or to sleep with you. I will hear not those who weep and complain, for their disease is contagious. Let them join the sheep. The slaughterhouse of failure is not my destiny. I will persist until I succeed. The prices of life are at the end of each journey, not near the beginning. It is not given to me to know how many steps are necessary in order to reach my goal. Failure is still encountered at 1,000 steps. Yet, success hides behind the next bend in the road. Never will I know how close it lies unless I turn the corner. I will always take another step. That is of no avail. I'll take another and yet another. In truth, one step at a time is not too difficult. I will persist until I succeed. Henceforth, I will consider each day's effort as but one blow of my blade against my goal. The first blow may cause loss and tremor in the wound, or the second, or the third. This blow itself may be trivial and seem of no consequence. Yet, from childish wife, the oak will eventually stumble. So, it will be my efforts of today. I'll be likened to the raindrop which washes over the mountain, the ant which devours the tiger, the star which brightens the earth, the slave who builds the pyramid. I will build my castle one brick at a time, for I know the small attempts repeated will complete any undertaking. I'll persist until I succeed. I'll never consider defeat. But if this disease of the mind should infect me, then I will work. And I will put for my vocabulary such words and phrases as quit, cannot, unable, impossible, unquestioned, improbable, failure, hopeless, and defeat. For they are the words of fools. I will avoid despair. But if these diseases of the mind should infect me, then I will work on despair. I will toil and I will endure. I will ignore the obstacles of my feet and keep my eyes on my obstacles above my head. For I know that where my dry desert ends, green grass grows. I will persist until I succeed. I will try and try again. I will develop my skills as a mariner develops his. We're learning to ride out of the ride of each storm. I will persist until I succeed. So long as there is breath in me, that long will I persist. For now I know one of the greatest principles of success. If I persist long enough, I will win. I will persist, I will win.